Hi, it's Mrs. Robinson, and today we're going to be talking about idioms. And you probably are saying, what are idioms? Well, maybe you've talked about them in your classroom and you know, but in case you don't, an idiom is a saying. Okay, so let's listen to this. This is the real definition of an idiom. An idiom is something in which words are used to describe something, though the words used to describe it have nothing to do with the topic. Now, I know that sounds really confusing, but I think after you hear a couple, you'll say, oh, I know what those are. I just didn't know they were called an idiom. So the first example is if it's raining really hard outside, you might hear someone say, it's raining cats and dogs. Well, that's an idiom. Okay, let's try another one. What if somebody asks you to do something and you think it's a really easy thing to do? You might say, oh, that's a piece of cake. That's an idiom. Okay, one more. Maybe your friend is going on stage. Maybe they're in a play, or maybe they've been singing a song, or maybe they've been practicing really hard to play their instrument, and you want to wish them good luck before they go on stage. So you might say, break a leg. That's an idiom. Okay, so I would like you to do the assignment today. It's kind of fun, and it's all about idioms. So take a look at it and have some fun with it. And if you don't, you'll be in hot water, which means big trouble. See you later.